What are we doing, guys?
Jumping out of a fucking plane.
Skydiving. Skydiving with half strangers.
Yeah, strangers.
You trust this guy to throw you out?
Well, I mean, yeah. I've known him for about 2 years now.
You don't know me.
Yeah, I got you.
You trust me to throw you out?
Yeah, fuck it. We're gonna do this.
Whose idea was this?
My fault.
Your fault if this goes wrong?
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah? We're celebrating. Celebrating anything.
No, just honestly just jumping.
Just go have
Moving
some fun.
and fun, being in Colorado.
Yeah,
All
we've
right.
been here 2 years and we just wanted to fuck out on the plane and just jump out.
Let's go have some fun, boys.
Yeah,
Let's
baby.
do it.
High five.
Fucking
High
go.
five.
Bring it back one more time.
Oh, there we go.
Here we go.
Oh, yes. Let's go.
You guys are nuts.
We're gonna go up really high, come down really fast.
That sounds amazing.
All right.
I tinkled already. Let's go have some fun. Yeah.
We got it this time. Look at this.
There we go.
Yeah.
Holy
fucking shit.
What do you think, huh?
That was fucking insane.
Right?
That was amazing.
You're gonna do it again someday.
Fuck yeah.
You did great, bro.
Thank
What
you,
was your
man.
favorite part?
That fucking the getting out, that first fucking jump.
That flip out?
That flip out is insane.
Yeah, just check it out on video. You're gonna see it's awesome.
Holy shit.
Next time I'll let you open the parachute.
Alright, perfect.
Just gotta play with my balls.
Oh, wouldn't be the first time.
You did awesome. Skydive Colorado Springs. You did great, bro.
Thank you, man. That was fucking awesome.